In this tutorial I will show you how to hide message previews on the Android lock screen. If you want to hide message previews on your Android lock screen, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Notifications. A menu will appear with several options. Tap on Lock Screen Notifications. Next, you'll see an option labeled Show Content. Tap on it to access a list of all apps that display content on your lock screen. You can choose to hide content for specific apps by turning off the toggle next to each app. This will prevent message previews or other content from showing up for that particular app. Alternatively, if you want to hide content for all apps, go back to the previous page and select the Hide Content option. This will hide all message previews and content on the lock screen. And that's it.